everyone, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year to you all. If today is your first time of stopping by, you are highly welcome. So guys, in today's video I'll be sharing with you guys drink that will clear hyperpigmentation and skin discoloration and make your skin to just glow, for you to have a spotless clear skin. Just keep on watching. If this is sounds like what you are interested in, please just keep on watching, but don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Just share this video to your friends and to your loved ones. Click on that red button down below and turn up your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Without wasting much of your time, let's just get into the video. So the very first thing we need for this recipe is our pineapple. Pineapple is low in calories and in refined carbs. It has bromelain, which aids in weight loss, fat reduction and reduces bloating and digestion. It's also a good source of fibers and helps reduce appetite. So when you want to lose weight, pineapple is very good in weight loss. So right now I'll start by peeling out the pineapple peel. So guys, remember that we don't throw away the pineapple peel. So if you want to know how to use this pineapple peel to lose weight, so I will just link the video on the description below. Just click and watch. You will see how to use pineapple to lose weight. Okay, don't throw away. If you are throwing it away, don't throw it away again. Okay, when you want to lose weight, lose belly fat, pineapple is very good in weight loss. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, share this video to your friends and to your loved ones. Just click on that red button down below and turn up your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay, just keep on watching. So guys, after peeling the pineapple, I will just add it straight to the bowl. Remember, I don't throw this away, so I'll just add it straight here and wash it and just put it in a ziplock and put it inside the freezer. I have a lot of it inside my freezer. I use it to lose weight. This thing works so well. This pineapple peel works so well when it comes to weight loss. So if you have been throwing your pineapple peel, don't throw it any longer. Okay, so I'll just add everything, I'll wash it and put it inside the freezer. So right now I'm going to accord the quantity I'm going to use for this recipe. I'm not doing it much, just little. I will just cut it because I'm doing just little because I have enough in the fridge. For this recipe, I'm just going to do it just for 1 cup. I'll just add straight to the plate. So this is the quantity I'll be using for this recipe. So the next thing we need for this recipe is our oranges. So I will be making use of 2 oranges in this recipe. So I'll start by cutting the oranges. I'm using the manual juicer to just juice the oranges. Guys, oranges are high source of vitamin C and is an antioxidant. Oranges will help you to clear your skin. You just take away all the pigmentations. It will make your skin to be cleared and brighten your skin and make your skin to glow. So if you have not been taking your oranges, please make sure you drink your oranges if you want to brighten your skin and make your skin to just glow. Remember, I said I'm just making for 1 cup. So if you want to do more than 1 cup, you can go ahead and double everything we are using in this video. Just double it. Okay, but to make the one I'm going to take right now just 1 cup. I don't want to store it in the fridge because I have a lot in the fridge. So right now I'm gonna set it aside. The next thing we need is our berries. This is a strawberry. If you have any berry at all you have, it is okay. It's an antioxidant. It can help you to remove all the pigmentations, all the hyperpigmentation from your skin, and just clear your skin. Any berries at all you have in the fridge can still go on with these things, but I'm gonna use strawberry. Okay, so for you to clear hyperpigmentation, skin coloration, and make your skin just glow and have a spotless skin, this is just what you need. So keep on watching. There's another thing we are going to add to this: strawberry, pineapple, and oranges. That's basically what you need to just clear your skin, make your skin to just glow. But there's one more thing we are going to add to this. Please guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. Share this video to your friends and to your loved ones. Just click on that red button down below and turn up your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So right now we are going to blend this. There's one more thing we are going to add to this, so stay tuned, don't go anywhere. So guys, right now I'm going to add everything to the blender. I'll first of all add my pineapple. Then I'll add the strawberry. This is frozen strawberry. Sorry, I didn't tell you guys, it's a frozen strawberry. You can go ahead and use your own. This is a fresh strawberry that I bought, so I store it in the fridge. No, it's not that it's a full strawberry from the shop. No, I bought it fresh, then I just wash it and put it inside the freezer. So I don't even like those frozen one. I use the fresh one. So the next I'm gonna add right now is my orange. Then this is the fiber, so I'm going to add the fiber too. So guys, the very last thing I'm going to add for this recipe is my yogurt. This 1.5 fat yogurt. You can go ahead and use your Greek yogurt if you have Greek yogurt. It's almost the same thing with this. But if you cannot lay your hand on Greek yogurt, you can go ahead and look for low fat yogurt. Okay, so I'm going to add 1 cup of this yogurt. One cup. Then I'll go ahead and blend it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Share this video to your friends and to your loved ones. Just click on that red button down below and turn up the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Guys, share this video. It's worth sharing. So guys, I'll go ahead and just pour inside the cup. Wow, can you just see how it is? Can you just see? Nice, so yummy. Just go and give it a try, you will like it. So sweet, so yummy. So as I said, if you cannot lay your hand on Greek yogurt, you can as well go to shop and get no fat yogurt. No, it's still okay for you. So yeah guys, this is so yummy. Just go and give it a try, you will like it. To definitely come back and say thank you, because I know you're gonna like it. This is what you'll be drinking to clear hyperpigmentation, skin decoration, and make your skin to just glow. If you want to make your skin to be spotless, make your skin to just glow and clear your hyperpigmentation, this is exactly what you need. Just drink it in the morning, drink it 2 times a day. Just drink it in the morning and drink it at night. You can as well just drink it once a day, but make sure you drink it at least once a day before going to bed. So yeah guys, hope you love this video, hope you enjoy it. If you enjoy it, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Share this video to your friends and to your loved ones. Bye bye guys, see you guys in my next video.